I gave Codex one website and one sentence. Turn this into a 20-second product video. It planked the video, pulled context from the site, generated the scenes, created the files locally, rendered the video, and then swapped the robotic voice with my own ElevenLabs voice. That is the workflow I want to show you. Most people still think Codex is just a coding assistant. That is the small version. The bigger version is this. Codex can become an operator for your entire creative workflow. It can open a local project, use plugins, browse a site, build assets, run local commands, and hand you a finished production folder. First, install the Codex desktop app from the official download page. Once it is installed, open Codex and choose the mode that matches how you work. For this demo, I use the everyday work setup because I want Codex to operate across video, browser, files, and local tools, not only inside a code editor. The most important part is permissions. Set your approval policy intentionally. If you want maximum control, make Codex ask before it runs actions. If you are moving fast inside a trusted local project, you can allow more autonomy. Then check sandbox access, browser use, and computer use. These settings decide whether Codex can browse, click through tools, inspect local apps, and work with the project on your machine. Do not skip this. A powerful agent with vague permissions is how workflows become messy. Next, open the folder you actually want Codex to work inside. In this demo, I'm working inside the Mr. Growth Guide project. That matters because Codex can now create files in the right place, reuse the existing structure, and connect the video assets back to the production workflow. Here, I ask Codex to check my local paperclip application running on port 3100. Even with a typo, it understands the intent, checks the local process, and reads the app context. This is where Codex starts feeling less like a chat box and more like a teammate working on the same machine. Now go to plugins. GitHub lets Codex work with repos and pull requests. Figma lets it generate diagrams, slides, and design context. Remotion gives you a programmable video layer. HyperFrames by HeyGen gives you a way to generate polished product videos from HTML-style compositions. For this workflow, the key combination is Codex plus HyperFrames plus Remotion. Then I give it the simple command. Can you turn this website into a 20-second product video? I use the Growth Systems AI website as the source. Codex starts gathering the site context, summarizing the offer, and planning the video. This is the important part. It does not just write a paragraph. It creates the production files. It builds the scenes. It handles the local dependencies. It prepares the voiceover. And it gives me a project folder I can inspect, edit, and render again. That is what makes this useful for real production. You are not trapped in a black box. Here is the product video it generated. This is the upgraded version with ElevenLabs audio. Look at the structure. The copy, the proof points, the animated scenes, the backdrop, the transitions, and the rendered video. For a first pass from one prompt, this is already usable as a draft. And because the artifacts are local, I can open the scenes, adjust the visuals, change the timing, and make it fit the brand. The last step is the voice. I ask Codex, the voice looks robotic. Can you use ElevenLabs to generate the script using my own voice? Codex finds the API key and the default voice ID from my local setup, then starts recreating the video with the better voice. That is the upgrade path. HyperFrames for the video, ElevenLabs for the voice, Remotion for the final composition. So the workflow is simple. Install Codex, configure permissions, connect the creative plugins, open the right project folder, give HyperFrames the website and the video brief. Then replace the default voice with your own ElevenLabs voice. If you want my exact Codex plugin setup and the prompt I used for this product video workflow, comment Codex and I will share it.